Today we are in Chios, Greece, and we're filming our very first episode here from my new house in Greece. So today we're gonna make fig jam. In Greece, there are abundance of figs. You'll see them all over the place, and August is the perfect time to cut them off the trees. So I've cut some figs today, and I'm gonna show you, my favorite way to eat them is just to open them up like this and eat them. Look how beautiful. Delicious, nice and sweet. So we're gonna make a fig jam with them. So we have here our figs. We have to cut off the stems, and we're just gonna cut them in fours. So we have our figs, and we're gonna cut them all up. And this is, figs you can eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, whatever you want, but when you have a ton of them, you gotta make some recipes with them. I've done other recipes where I've made fig with goat cheese, fig and salad, so I thought this would be a great one to make so we can use other fresh ingredients like lemon, and we can use them on different. For this recipe, we're gonna need the zest of a lemon and the lemon juice. But although I did move into this house and I've furnished it and bought, I thought everything I needed, I did not buy a zester. So for a zester, instead of using a zester, we're gonna take the end of the lemon, cut off the end there, and we're gonna carefully peel. We're gonna cut the peel of the lemon. Just try to go very close to the edge of the lemon so we're not getting the grind here. We're just trying to get the lemon peel, and we're gonna cut that off, and we're gonna chop that, and that would be the equivalent of zesting a lemon. So now I've chopped up our lemon, which is our lemon zest, and I have our lemon here, sugar. I'm gonna take our peels off here. These are all our ingredients: figs, lemon zest, lemon juice, and sugar. And we're gonna go to the stove and put it in a saucepan. So I turned on our electric stove and our saucepan here. I'm gonna put in our 2 cups of sugar, and we're gonna put in 1 cup of water. And when you're in Chios, make sure you use bottled water. Don't use the tap water, very salty, you don't need that. So make sure you're buying bottled water. We're gonna add in our lemon zest, our lemon juice, and of course, our figs. So we're gonna add our figs here to the saucepan. Perfect. Look how beautiful already. Okay. Let that cook. Come to a boil. We'll stir that, and then we'll let it simmer. So now this has come to a boil. Look at that, beautiful. So I'm gonna stir this up. And now we're gonna lower the heat, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer. So we've let this simmer. You can see it's getting nice and thick. So next we're gonna use, ideally a potato masher, but I don't have one. Another thing that I need to buy, but I have a fork. So I'm just gonna mash this down with a fork so that our jam can get nice and thick. Fig jam is ready. Look at this, delicious, beautiful fig jam. And you could store this in jars, leave it in the refrigerator, and use it on so many different recipes. I'm gonna taste it just the way it is. Delicious. You can really taste the difference with the fresh figs right off the tree. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips and to check out my new home in Chios, Greece.